Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones in your house where your internet just drops to zero? That's exactly what a Wi-Fi repeater or extender is for. It takes the existing signal from your main router, amplifies it, and pushes it further into those dark corners of your home. And guess what? You don't need a computer to set this up. You can do this entirely via an Android or an iPhone, no exceptions. Let's get right into it, step by step. First things first. Make sure your repeater is turned on and plugged into a socket close to your main router for the initial setup. Once it's powered up, grab your phone, go into your iOS or Android settings and open up your Wi-Fi networks. Look for the network name broadcasted by your Wi-Fi repeater. It usually has extender or the brand name in it. Tap and connect to it. As soon as you connect, your phone will automatically open up the configuration page. If it asks you to log in, you need to type in the username and password. Don't panic if you don't know it. The standard working credentials for almost every device out there are admin for the username and admin for the password. Type those in, hit login, and just like that, we've successfully entered the admin area where we can actually configure our Wi-Fi extender device. Look at the top left of your screen. See those green color settings? That's where our configuration lives. Click on the repeater option. When you click it, the device will start scanning the area to ask which network you want to extend the signal strength to. It will show you a list of all the Wi-Fi networks nearest to your area. Just scroll through and select your main home network. Mine right here is called New Star. Once you select your network, you'll notice something cool. It automatically adds _EXT right next to its name, letting you know this is the extended network. Now create the password for your new device. You can make it the exact same as your primary network to keep things simple, or choose a new one. It's totally up to you. Once that's typed in, click Apply. The settings will take a few seconds to save and apply. Once it's done, you'll be kicked back to your phone's main Wi-Fi settings, which means we've successfully configured the repeater. Now, let's locate the brand new extender device in the list and connect to it. Type in your password and it's connected. Pretty simple, right? And the reward? A much stronger internet signal. Here you can see, YouTube is working perfectly. Videos are loading instantly and our internet is fully alive. If this video helped you kill those annoying dead zones in any way, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more real, no-nonsense tech guides. Thank you for watching and see you later, alligator.